High-level Splunk use cases in cybersecurity. So, how is Splunk actually used in real-world scenarios? Let's walk through some examples. One of the most common use cases is threat detection. Splunk can detect brute force login attempts. Say when someone tries to log in into an account 100 times in a few minutes, that's a red flag. A Splunk can raise an alert immediately. Another big one is compliance monitoring. Splunk can track access to sensitive data, help organizations stay in line with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Splunk is also great for anomaly detection. If a user logs in from Mumbai at noon and then from Moscow an hour later, Splunk can flag that as impossible travel. Then there's insider threat monitoring. Splunk can detect when employees access files they normally wouldn't or copy large amounts of data after office hours. In more advanced use cases, Splunk supports ransomware detection by identifying known malicious file hashes or catching command and control traffic patterns. And it's not just detection, Splunk can help in incident investigation, correlating logs from multiple systems to trace the full story of an attack. These use cases are just the beginning. With the right data and the right queries, Splunk becomes a powerful ally in the fight against cyber threats.